Selecting the correct heavy-duty clamp for your application is critical, but easy when ordering clamps from Vermatic. To determine which model Vermatic clamp you'll need for each application, consider the following factors. Will you be clamping hose, pipe, tube, or a combination? How many lines? Vermatic offers single, twin, multiple, or stacked solutions in almost any configuration. Provide the outer diameter for each hose and tube, and the inner diameter for each pipe. Let us know how many you need of each clamp configuration. Also, for each configuration, let us know if you need weld or channel-mounted clamps. Specify hardware: steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or clear zinc plated. Your answers determine which series clamps you'll need based on the sizes needed and your preferred style. We understand every use case is unique. At Vermatic, we're here to guide you to the right clamp solutions. Contact us today to get started.